Hi, my name is Iman. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing what's for dinner, planning for dinner, grocery hauls, as well as planning. And sometimes we might be doing a day in the life. So please, if you like what you see, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight, what's for dinner is barbacoa tortillas and authentic Mexican rice. All right. I'm starting with the authentic Mexican rice. What I need to do in this pan, and I think you need a deep pan like this, I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of oil. I've already heated up this, this pan on medium-high heat. And then to the oil, I'm adding 1½ cups of rice. This has been washed and drained. And what I'm going to do is stir this around for 10 minutes until the rice is browned, or until it's browned. All right, it's been 10 minutes and the rice is already browned up. It smells so good. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce to this. Then a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, and I'm adding a 1/4 of an onion. I chopped it. Well, actually, cameraman chopped it. Okay, go ahead and stir this around. Incorporate it. Let that tomato sauce get a little warm. Okay, to this mixture, we're adding 2 tomato bouillon cubes, and the recipe said to chop them. There's one. There's the second one. And also, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There you go. Adding a, how much is this? This is 1 carrot diced. And then I'm adding 1/2 cup of frozen peas. And to this mixture, then I'm adding 3½ cups of water. Okay, I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes. And then we have to wait until the water is completely absorbed, and then the rice will be done. Okay, so the other part of this meal is the barbacoa tortillas that we are making. And I did not make this from scratch. I found this in the grocery store, and I wanted to try it. It's the Del Real barbacoa, and it says handmade in small batches. So it's already seasoned and it already has a sauce. So what I'm doing is, you could either heat it up in the microwave or you can heat it up over the stove. I decided to heat it up over the stove. So this is going to take about 6 to 8 minutes to heat up. And then once that's done, I will, about 2 minutes before this is done, or a minute before this is done, I'll heat up the tortillas in the oven. And we will have this and this, the Mexican rice, which is looking delicious. Sorry about that. There you go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and assemble these. Here's the tortilla. And I tasted this. This actually is pretty good. I don't generally like to buy stuff that's pre-made because I'm afraid of sodium. But this was not salty and it tastes really good. So I'll spread some of that, just a little bit more. Okay. Some onion on top of it. And then get a couple of pickles. Some quesadilla cheese. Fold that up. And then I'm gonna add some of this rice. And the rice turned out delicious. It looks so good. All right. So barbacoa, tortillas, and Mexican rice. That's what's for dinner.